Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by choosing exact dates and committing them in your calendar so others see them. This creates a boundary. Once set, notify your manager and key teammates at least 2 weeks ahead and add an auto-reply explaining limited availability. Make sure to pick and either complete or delegate the top 3 tasks that would otherwise follow you. This reduces stress and prevents urgent interruptions while you're offline. Do this now to convert intent into real time off. Once the basics are covered, produce a one-page handover that lists responsibilities, upcoming deadlines, and where files live. This is the map your backup will follow. Make sure to limit interruptions by turning off non-essential notifications, setting phone rules, and naming a single backup contact. Also include a short reference for passwords, vendor contacts, and escalation steps so decisions don't stall. This middle work is the heavy lift, done well. It protects your rest and your team's workflow. You take the leave and, if you arranged it, only check in once for a fixed window, then disconnect to recharge. When you return, first review the handover and debrief with your backup to catch up fast, then prioritize the first 3 tasks you set before leaving. If something went wrong while you were away, escalate using the documented steps and contact the backup you named. This prevents firefighting and keeps your boundaries intact. That single troubleshooting move often resolves 80% of issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.